Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. The I am back in class and the topic is going to be Introduction to Python. IT 140 of Southern New Hampshire University. You will be required to go ahead and download Pycharm, and it kind of gives you kind of like a brief statement here of how to do it, and also Python. Make sure on the Pycharm, when you guys go into it, you guys do the community. The community is free for everyone. The other one, you're gonna have to go ahead and pay for it, and I don't think you want to pay for something that you may not need in the later future, unless you want to go ahead and start programming and doing coding going forward. Of course, the introduction was due on Wednesday. Name one event or person that influenced you to pursue a degree in your field. What is your comfort level with programming? What skills are you most confident in? What skills need the most improvement? What strategies do you plan to use to maintain your time and complete assignments in this course? Reflect on the material you have reviewed so far for Module 1. What questions do you have so far? And of course, you have to do your reply to peers. Okay, I do have my Access code. I still haven't programmed it yet, since I am doing the introduction to programming. This one is open for everybody, so they can go and take a look. There are some requirements that you will need to do for every single one. For example, activities. These activities that you see, that is because I've already completed them. I got the answers correct, so on and so on. You can go ahead and do some little run simulations. These don't have any volume. It's just kind of like giving you, I guess, a rundown. Then, of course, you can go ahead and play with this. If you tell Python to make a square, of course, it's going to tell you pin down, forward 100, left 120, forward 100, left 120. You can always play around with these. And see what it actually does for you. See, so anywhere you do this can change the whole format on. So that's kind of like giving you an idea of how Python works. If you do everything the way you're supposed to do it, it's going to give you a perfect triangle. If you do not have the right format or formulas, of course, it's not going to give you anything. Kind of a little quick detail on that. Of course, on this, wages, and then you do your hours, and then if you do your weeks, or some of these are here. For example, what a line, what's code, what's prompt, so on and so on. I already did it. Now for this one right here, of course, one wins because top speed is 60 on card 1, acceleration is 10. Let's just say we change this one to 60. Oops. So card 1 wins by 15 meters. Why? Because the acceleration is 11 here. So let's say we do 55. car 2 wins by 60 meters. Even though the acceleration was 10 on car 1 and you still had an acceleration rate of 11, it's because those top speed of 5 miles per hour makes a big difference. So let's say we did, let me see. Alrighty, let's go with 15. Trying to see if we can get a tie here. Well, car 1-1. Go with 3. Alright, so that's kind of give you guys a real brief of what you guys can do, play around with. It is basic stuff right now. Of course, you have to read what printing means. Just an example about printing. Let me go ahead and give you guys an example here. Give me one moment. Where is my... here it is. So for this course, you will need to require to be downloading Pycharm, like we mentioned before, and Python. It's going to give you kind of a general idea of what printing means. Of course, Pycharm is awesome. If, name, I'm going to give you what these are going to be telling you. Of course, what a string is called, where, if, and there's like so many stuff that I don't want to get too much into detail right now because it's just the beginning. But you guys will be using this. You guys will need to be downloading it. There are some tutorials and YouTube. I'll give you guys kind of like a general idea of how to use Pycharm, to be exact. You can always go to settings and change your fonts. You can color schemes, code styles, so on and so on. I love the Dracula contrast because it's easier for my eyes, because you got the gray and the black. I don't like the white and the black. I just think it's just too much for my eyes. Like I said, I don't want to go too much into detail. I'm looking forward to doing this class with you guys. IT 140, Introduction to Scripting. Of course, it's going to be focused most on Python. So just remember, you guys need to download Python and Pycharm, and I'll be looking forward to the next videos, sharing my thoughts on what's going on with this class and doing what it needs to be done, so that way I can go ahead and break it down to you guys in case you guys are struggling. You guys can see what I did and what needs to be done. If I made some errors, I will let you guys know, so that way I can go fix those errors, because of course with Python, if you do an error, it's not going to let you do the whole complete program. Just like that car with 1 and 2, if there's an error on that simulation of the cart, you will not be able to go forward. For example, and let me see if it gets decimals. Oh, it does get decimals. Certain things do not get decimals because you have to have the right formula. Apparently does this, you can go ahead and use decimals on this formula. So let's go ahead and start learning together, and I'll see you guys soon on the next video. Of course, remember, this is for learning experience, and it's not for you guys to start doing anything illegal. I do say that to all my videos because there are some stuff that I do show you guys that can kind of get us into a little trouble if you guys go ahead and do certain stuff. So I like to put it on my videos. Just be careful what you guys do, and you guys have yourself a great day. See you next time.